Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Robot Roomba Vac 2 Essentials with self-emptying base. Here's everything that comes in the box. We do have a side brush we got to connect. It comes with an extra filter. Here's the self-empty base. Now it does come with the bag already installed. There's a little tool there. You will have to change out that bag now. The robot's going to go around and vacuum your house. It's going to come back to the dock station. And then there's another vacuum inside here that's going to kick on and suck everything out of the robot through this little port. Then it's going to charge the robot. Now we're going to measure everything. First, let's take all the plastic off. Take the bumper guards out. This is for the bumper on the front, and there's this piece of plastic on the front. Now again, this is going to navigate your house. It's not going to map your house, but I think it memorizes where the wheels go. So I think it can memorize where it's been according to how the wheels are moving, because there's no LiDAR navigation. There's no carpet sensor. There's no sensor to let you know where it is other than the wheels. I think there's some way it memorizes it. Now we do have to put the brush roller, the side brush, it just snaps on. Right here's a square, snap it on. It does have, these are fall off sensors. This is so it won't fall down your stairs. They're little glass windows. Again, the drive wheels, this one spins free. Let's take a look at the brush roller. It's very simple. Looks like a nice brush roller. Let's put it back. Again, this all comes assembled. I just wanted to show you. All right, there's the battery. Once in a while, you have to replace the battery. Around back, this is where it's going to charge the robot, and it's going to suck everything out of the robot through this right here. But once in a while, you will have to, this is the dust bin. So as it goes around and vacuums your house, everything's going to go into this dust bin. And then when it backs up, everything will get sucked out of this dustbin. But there is some maintenance here. There's a filter. The filter's already installed. You do get an extra one. Everything will go in this area right here, and then it gets sucked out the back. Once in a while, you do have to clean these filters. Let's go over some measurements. 13 inches. Height-wise, it is a relatively short robot because it doesn't have the big LiDAR sensor on front. So it's right at 3¼ inches tall. Now again, your robot's going to back up to it. There's these little rollers right here to help direct it. And there's these little grooves. Hopefully it's going to find those and back up and charge it and auto empty the robot. Now you do have to be able to open up the lid all the way. That is 18 inches. And to the top of it's about 11½ inches. Power cord is 2-prong and it is 6 feet long. It's permanently attached. There is cord storage. There is no on-off switch. So as soon as you plug it in, it's powered up. Front to back, 1½ inches with the robot attached. You're going to have about 19 inches. Left to right, 11 inches, and the cord can come out either side. On the bottom, there is a duct here. If you get an obstruction, you can take these screws off, take this little piece off, and hopefully clear the obstruction. Let's see how many amps. 110 to 120 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, 5 amps, 15 watts while charging. Okay, you put this up against the wall. You want 1.5 feet clear on either side of it and 4 feet from stairs and 4 feet in front of it. And it only works on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Now it's very important to put the base station where you're going to keep it at. So you're going to want to find a spot along a wall and leave it there. Because when it first cleans your house, the way it's going to find its way back is it memorized where the base station was. So if you ever move the base station, you'll want to reboot it and remap your house. So again, it doesn't map your house. You don't get a mapping, but you don't want to move the base station or it could have a hard time finding its way back. So you're going to download the iRobot app. You're going to plug the base station in, and you're going to dock the robot. When you dock the robot, it's going to turn it on. You're going to connect it to the iRobot app, and then you can have it start cleaning your house. Now again, this robot does struggle a little bit because it cannot map your house. It needs physical barriers to keep it in a certain room or away from things. So other robots, you can put no-go zones in an area that has a bunch of cords, but those robots can map your house. This one cannot map your house. So if you want to keep it from some cords or away from another room, put a physical barrier so that it will activate this bumper and turn around and go the other way. Otherwise, it will go into that room or run over things you don't want it to run over. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.